In today's class, we will discuss the topic cultural practices in agriculture. Cultural practices are diverse methods employed to ensure the optimal growth and establishment of crops. These practices are categorized into pre-planting, planting, post-planting, harvesting, and storage operations. Pre-planting operations. These are activities conducted before the actual planting, while planting involves the sowing of seeds. Post-planting operations include thinning, supplying, irrigation, manuring, mulching, and weeding. A. Land preparation. Conducted by cutting vegetation and grasses with cutlasses or hoes or felling trees with axes. Mechanized options are also available. Burning of thrash is discouraged as it depletes organic matter and soil microbes. B. Stumping. The removal of stumps is done manually with cutlasses and axes or mechanically using bulldozers. Stumps are remnants of previously cut trees left on the soil surface. C. Farm layout. Organizing the farmland into sections to optimize land use and maximize yield. D. Tillage. Breaking or turning the soil after clearing, using simple tools or farm machinery. Plowing, primary tillage, cuts through the soil, forming clods, while harrowing, secondary tillage, breaks clods into fine particles, readying the soil for ridging. Importance of tillage. 1. Loosens the soil, facilitating air and water penetration to plant roots. 2. Enables easy root penetration into the soil. 3. Brings plant nutrients within reach of the roots. 4. Exposes pests to sunlight, aiding in their destruction. 5. Ensures proper blending of manure and fertilizers with the soil. Ridging. Formation of ridges or heaps on the farm is particularly beneficial on slopes to control erosion. Crosswise ridges at intervals help prevent erosion and provide water for plant use, aiding root penetration and crop establishment. Cultural practices are essential for crop management, promoting healthy growth, and maximizing agricultural output. These practices, when carefully executed, contribute significantly to sustainable and productive farming. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.